Hello there and welcome to another one of these Lexical Lab 1 minute English videos. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our website www.lexicallab.com to find out more about our online courses. When I was in Kazakhstan last week, the whole country was still reeling from a shocking murder. The former National Economy Minister, a man called Kondik Bishimbayev, has allegedly murdered his ex-wife, Sultanat Nukenova, in a high-end fancy dining establishment in the capital. And this has caused shockwaves across the country. In the wake of the murder, there's been a huge outpouring of anger and emotion right across the whole country. If you talk about one thing happening in the wake of another thing, you basically mean it happens after it and usually because of it. So you might hear on the news, for example, that airport security has been tightened in the wake of the recent terror attacks in the capital. Any of you old enough to remember the terror attacks in New York in 2001, you'll remember that in the wake of the 9/11 attacks, there seemed to be a brief window of opportunity where things could have turned out very differently before the insane decision to launch the war on Iraq was made. And many of you maybe will remember that there were fears of complete social breakdown in the wake of COVID arriving in the country. If you've enjoyed this video, please do click the like button. Please share it on social media with your friends, your students, your colleagues, and in the comments section below. We'd love to see examples of how you might use in the wake of.